The Ideal Mega, which was planned to be launched in December last year, was postponed and officially launched its two new colors and announced the official launch of the car on March 1st. Two new colors have been added, elephant gray and white. It was reported that users who booked the Ideal Mega before March 1st can enjoy free upgrades of the Ideal 20 kW DC stack worth 100 million yuan. The MPV appears to have a wide side door opening, the second row of seats is equipped with armrests and slide rails, and the mobile phone charging panel is inside. Additionally, all 7 seats in the vehicle are equipped with headrests. Refrigerators, small tables and other configurations are all available, and second-row seats support major adjustments. Plus, the large sunroof and side windows provide a highly transparent seating area. In terms of size, the Ideal Mega's length, width and height are 5350/1965/1850 mm, respectively, and its wheelbase is 3,300 mm. The use of space still maintains ideal practicality. The second row of seats supports folding, and the third row of seats can be folded to form a big bed mode. At the Guangzhou Auto Show at the end of last year, Ideal Mega accepted pre-orders. Ideal Mega has the lowest drag coefficient among MPV models at 0.215 CD. In terms of battery and battery life, the Ideal Mega is equipped with a Kirin 5C battery with a capacity of 102.7 kWh, developed jointly by Ideal and CATL. The biggest feature of this battery is that it uses ultrafast charging at 5C speed. The highest charging power can exceed 520 kilowatts. The Ideal Mega can charge 500 kilometers in just 12 minutes, and its highest current can exceed 700 A. In terms of power system, Lily Mega adopts a brand new driving system, and the new car is a four-wheel drive version. An asynchronous motor with a maximum power of 155 kilowatts is used on the front axle, a permanent magnet synchronous motor with a maximum power of 245 kilowatts and a peak torque of 542 Nm is used on the rear axle. The first thing that must be ensured to achieve a 5C charging rate is the heat dissipation ability. In terms of materials, technologies such as superconducting high-active positive electrodes, highly conductive electrolytes, high current-carrying structural parts, cold plates and large surface contact heat dissipation of battery cells are used. This contributes to heat generation. It can reduce power by 25% and reduce overcharging temperature rise by 7 degrees Celsius. The internal resistance of the new car's battery pack has been reduced to 0.3 milliohms, the heat dissipation power can reach 16 kilowatts, and the overcharge temperature rise can be reduced by 7 degrees Celsius. Moreover, ultra-low battery cell internal resistance as low as 0.3 mOhms can achieve long-term high-power charging only if heat dissipation is present.